Ready to turn your dining room into a high-end masterpiece? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into some stunning luxury dining room ideas that will leave your guests absolutely speechless. Let's get started. In this room, watch how bold emerald green velvet and striking gold accents create an instant luxury. Notice how this stunning marble table takes center stage, perfectly balanced by soft grey velvet chairs and sleek gold accents. If you love a warm and neutral palette, this beige and gold dining space is the ultimate luxury inspiration. In this room, notice how the grey velvet chairs create a stunning contrast. In this room, the thick gold bases on the gorgeous marble table are an absolute showstopper, perfectly paired with these rich green velvet chairs. Next, these chocolate brown chairs with gold details feel very cozy, yet sophisticated. The bright green velvet chairs are the star of the show as they look beautiful against the thick white marble table. In this room, notice how these rich tufted copper velvet chairs bring incredible warmth to the bright open room. This is high-end luxury at its absolute finest. Green and gold is the ultimate luxury combo. Check out this stunning marble dining set. Would you want this in your home? The dark wood wall with a large round mirror and built-in shelves adds a lot of depth and wood for the room with a massive crystal chandelier and the gold abstract painting. The entire area feels balanced, warm, and incredibly high-end. The elegant glass dining table with its sculptural gold base keeps the room feeling spacious, letting those stunning velvet chairs completely stand out. Step into pure elegance with this stunning neutral and gold dining room. The gold base of the glass table perfectly anchored the bases while the tufted creamy chairs add incredible texture and comfort. Look at these rich burgundy velvet chairs completely transform the space, contrasting beautifully with the stunning gold table base and sleek glass table. This is space at the absolute peak of modern luxury. Take a look at how this vibrant emerald green and brilliant gold combination completely commands the room. In this design, the thick marble table resting on the solid gold base is an absolute showstopper, perfectly paired with these sleek channel-tufted creamy chairs. In this room, notice how these stunning dusty pink velvet chairs completely soften this luxury dining space. This room balances high-end glam with everyday comfort. Step into absolute opulence with this breathtaking dining room. The massive tiered crystal chandelier instantly commands the space. Notice how this bright and airy space is completely transformed by the bold pop of emerald green chairs. Bask in the warm, inviting glow of this stunning, soft glam dining space. This gorgeous oval marble table with its massive gold bases is a true masterpiece, perfectly balanced by these elegant, dusty pink velvety chairs. Notice how beautifully it flows into the living area with that incredible tufted cream sofa. And this design shows a classic grand luxury open space that blends timeless materials with a bright, airy layout. A sleek glass top table with a golden sculpture base surrounded by vibrant navy blue velvet chairs with a single leg. A large beige sectional sofa decorated with navy pillows to match the dining chairs. A solid white marble rectangular table paired with vibrant berry-toned velvet chairs for a high-end contrast look. A massive floor-to-ceiling window that frames a stunning mountain landscape bringing natural beauty into the room. Notice how this dramatic space perfectly balances deep, moody tones with brilliant gold. These elegant tufted grey velvet chairs feature a stunning gold piping that matches the sculpture base of the sleek glass table. This room perfectly blends the statement colours with elegant modern design. See how these incredible burnt orange velvet chairs bring an instant warmth and character to this open concept. The vastly glass table and its stunning base keep the room feel light. The incredible oval marble table, anchored by a massive gold base, is a true design masterpiece. Notice how the rich emerald green chairs add a bolt of pop of colour, tying into the luxurious tufted cream sofa in the background. Notice how these vibrant emerald green velvet chairs bring an instant pop of colour to this bright and airy space. This design is a masterclass in everyday modern luxury. One of the most important elements here is the connection to the outdoors. Massive floor-to-ceiling windows flooded the room with natural light, making the gold leaf artwork and crystal chandeliers truly sparkle. It's about creating seamless flow between indoor elegance and lush green view. Comfort isn't sacrificed for style. Plush velvet textures, chairs, and oversized sectional sofas invite you to sit back and stay a while. Every piece of furniture is a statement, but together they tell a story of sophisticated modern living. We are diving into a world where luxury meets comfort. We're looking at stunning dining and living room designs that define modern glamour. When you look at these spaces, The first thing you notice isn't just the expensive furniture, it's the balance. Notice how most of these rooms use a very soft, neutral base. We are talking cream walls, light marble floors, and beige curtains. This quiet background is what allows the bold elements like those deep emerald greens and royal blues and ruby reds to really sing without making the room feel cluttered or overwhelming. Let's talk about the heart of these rooms, the dining table in almost every design here. The table is a statement piece. We see two main styles. First, there is the classic white marble top with gold geometric legs. It feels airy, clean, and very high-end. Then we have the dark wood or glass tops, which brings a bit more mood. Look at the lighting in these rooms. It's just incredible. We're seeing massive crystal chandeliers, styled with gold straps. These aren't just lights, they are the crown jewel of the room. A large light fixture over the dining table actually helps define that space as its own zone, even in a large open concept floor plan. On the walls, notice the use of oversized mirrors and three-dimensional gold art. Mirrors are a classic designer trick to double the light and make the room feel twice as big. And those larger-scale abstract paintings with gold leaf, they add a focal point that keeps your eyes moving around the room. What makes these rooms feel lived in is, despite being so fancy, it's the styling. Look at the centerpieces. There are loads of white orchids and tall pampas grass in gold vases, whether they're fresh or high-quality faux. Greenery really breathes life into all that stone and metal. Also, notice the rugs. Most of them have a sort of marble-like pattern, or maybe just a very soft shimmer. They give you a soft landing for your feet and help ground the furniture, so it doesn't end up looking like it's just floating in a giant white room. Modern glamour is, honestly, all about the mix. Neutral backgrounds, bold velvet colors, and a healthy dose of gold. It's about creating a space that feels like a five-star hotel, but is still comfortable enough for Sunday dinner. So, which of these looks was your favorite? The emerald green chairs or maybe the royal blue ones? The secret ingredient to create a truly magical dining experience for your guests, and for yourself of course, is to find a style that suits your hosting needs and your home perfectly. There are practical factors to consider, of course. The size of the table required, the number of the chairs needed, and whether you might benefit from an extendable table or one with storage facilities. But sometimes it's best to just start by identifying the style you want for your space. Think of what will fit with the rest of your home. Most importantly, the adjoining rooms, how you plan to use the space, and the type of your guests you will host. Whether your dining room serves as an intimate space for gathering with close friends and deal brokering have to wine and dine business occasion, or a warm space to share with the entire family, it's a good to be cleared for you. Luxury dining room design is timeless and elegant with clean palettes, well-defined spaces, and high ceilings. The centerpiece is often a statement dining table surrounded by luxurious chairs paired with a sophisticated lighting. Rich materials like wood, marble, and polished metals complement the look, while a color palette of warm neutrals or royal tones adds depth. Incorporating ornate detailing such as crown molding or paneled walls can enhance the overall ambience. At the end, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel for more amazing videos every day.